depreciation. Do like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon for early notifications. What is depreciation in accounting? Features of depreciation. What are the causes of depreciation? What are the two main depreciation methods? What are the factors affecting the amount of depreciation? Explanation of straight line method and written down value method. What is the difference between straight line method and written down value method? What is depreciation in accounting? Depreciation is defined as the reduction cost of fixed asset in a systematic manner until the value of the asset becomes zero or negligible. Or we can say depreciation is the reduction in the value of an asset due to usage, passage of time, wear and tear, technological outdating or obsolescence, depletion, inadequacy, decay, or other such factors. Now, an example of fixed assets are building, furniture, office, equipment, machinery, etc. A land is the only exception which cannot be depreciated as the value of the land appreciates with time. What are the features of depreciation? Depreciation is decline in the book value of the fixed asset. Depreciation is a continuing process till the end of the useful life of assets. Depreciation is a non-cash expense. It does not involve any cash flow. Depreciation is termed as an expired cost. It must be deducted before calculating taxable profit. Depreciation incurred loss of value of assets due to passage of time, usage or obsolescence. Causes of depreciation. Non-physical wear and tear is the first cause. Now, due to the normal use of the asset, it deteriorates physically, resulting the normal wear and tear of assets. Second is efflux of time. Certain intangible assets have fixed lifespan, such as trademarks, patents, and copyrights, etc. The value of these assets decrease with the passage of time, irrespective of that the business enterprise are using them or not. Obsolescence is the loss arising from outdating and replacing the existing asset with the new and improved model of the asset. Accidents. Destruction or damage caused by an accident result in reducing the value of the assets. The two main depreciation method. The two main depreciation method that we used are straight line method and written down value method. What are the factors affecting the amount of depreciation? First, the cost of the asset. Total cost of the asset includes purchase price plus all the cost essential to bring the asset to a usable condition. Second is the estimated useful life of the asset. Any asset can work for a certain period of time. That is the estimated life of the asset. Third is estimated scrap value. It is the value estimated to be realized after the useful working life of the asset. Fourth is the legal provisions. The amount of depreciation also depends upon the statutory and legal provisions prescribing the admissible rate of depreciation on fixed asset. Explanation of straight line method and written down value method. Now, what is straight line method? It is calculated by dividing the difference between an asset's cost and its expected scrap value by the number of years it is expected to use. Therefore, depreciation equals to cost of the asset less scrap value divided by useful life. Written down value method. It is calculated by subtracting accumulated depreciation from the asset's original value. From this method, we can determine a previously purchased asset's current worth. What is the difference between straight line method and written down value method? Straight line method and written down value method. Depreciation is calculated on the original cost of an asset in case of straight line method. In case of written down value method, depreciation is calculated on the reducing balance, that is the book value of the asset. Equal amount of depreciation is charged each year in straight line method, whereas in written down value method diminishing amount of depreciation is charged each year. In case of straight line method, book value of the asset becomes zero at the end of its effective life. In case of written down value method, book value of the asset can never be zero. Straight line method. It is suitable for assets like patents, copyright, land and building which have lesser possibilities. Written down value method. It is suitable for assets which needs more repair in the later years such as plant, machinery, car, etc. Straight line method. It is not recognized under the Income Tax Act. Written down value method. It is recognized under the Income Tax Act. Thanks for watching.